Looking for dependable ink cartridges that won't break the bank? The LC501XL 4-pack offers a practical solution for Brother printer users who want quality without the OEM price tag. These cartridges deliver consistent, vibrant prints in black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, perfect for everyday documents and colorful projects alike. I switched to these LC501XL cartridges for my MFCJ1360DW, and the difference was clear. The print quality stayed sharp, and I didn't have to worry about frequent replacements. Each cartridge supports up to 500 pages at 5% coverage on A4 paper, which means fewer interruptions and more value per cartridge. That's a solid boost for anyone managing regular print tasks. What stands out is their compatibility with several Brother models including the MFCJ1260W, MFCJ1260DW, MFCJ1360DW, and MFCJ1410DW. This makes the LC501XL cartridges a versatile choice if you own one of these printers or plan to upgrade. Plus, they use water-based ink, helping maintain clean, smudge-resistant results every time. The package includes one cartridge of each color, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, so you're fully stocked right out of the box. It also comes with a user guide to help with installation, making the swap quick and hassle-free. While these are not Brother OEM products, they're manufactured by Cool Toner with strict quality standards to ensure reliable performance. If you're tired of overpriced ink but don't want to compromise on print quality, these LC501XL cartridges are worth a look. They offer high page yields and consistent color output, helping you keep your printing costs down without sacrificing sharpness or vibrancy. Ready to make the switch? Whether you print documents, photos, or marketing materials, these cartridges deliver what you need to keep your Brother printer running smoothly. Try them when you're ready and see how easy and affordable refilling your printer can be. Choosing LC501XL ink cartridges means you get reliable, high-yield performance tailored for your Brother printer models. That's what changes your printing experience: more pages, vibrant colors, and fewer interruptions. It's a smart choice for anyone balancing quality and budget.